Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Office 365 and also get 5 TB storage on OneDrive for free. First, open your web browser and go to the link shown on screen. Link is in the description. Next, it will prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account. After signing in, it will ask you to enter some details for the developer account. Enter those details as shown and click on Next. Then on the next screen, it will ask you to choose between Instant or Configurable Sandbox. Choose the latter if you want a custom domain and click on Next. Enter the required details to create a main account for the developer subscription. Click on Next. Now, verify with your phone number. Finally, click on Setup. Your Microsoft 365 developer program subscription will be activated. As you can see on screen, I have some older subscriptions also which were deleted. Anyways, now click on Go to Subscription. Now sign in with the main account you created for the subscription. You will be redirected to the office.com site. There click on Admin. You will now be redirected to the Microsoft Admin Center. Click on Show All, then click on Users, Active Users. I have some user accounts here which I have blurred. Remember, you can create more accounts if you want, just like I did. For now, go to the main user account you had created. Now click on the OneDrive section. As you can see, I have 5 TB of OneDrive storage available for use with this account. But on your screen you may or may not see the same. This is because OneDrive might have to be activated first for the account. If you don't see the same, then go to portal.office.com/OneDrive. From there, activate the OneDrive account. Then return back to the admin center and hit reload. Now in the OneDrive section, you will see the amount of storage available. By default, it is 1024 GB. To change it, click on Edit. Then choose Maximum Storage for this user option and click on Save. So, now you have 5 TB of OneDrive storage. With the max limit of 25 users in this subscription, your total storage adds up to 125 TB. Enjoy using it. Now get back to the office.com site. On the right-hand side, you will see Install Apps button. This is for Microsoft Office 365. Click on it. The file will start downloading. After downloading, open the file and wait for Microsoft Office 365 to download and install. Success! Microsoft Office 365 is now installed. Now open any one of the Office apps. Here I will open MS Word. It will prompt you to sign in. Make sure to sign with the same main account you had created, not with your personal Microsoft account. It will then prompt you to accept the license agreement. Click on Accept. Congrats! You now have installed Microsoft Office 365 on your computer. One thing to note, the subscription has a limit of 90 days, after which it will renew again. Make sure to be active on that subscription so that it renews. Otherwise, the subscription may get expired and you will have to repeat the whole process again. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos.